making coffee and I'm looking horrible this morning. I don't feel good. I actually have a huge headache. I called in from work and I'm like, I gotta get coffee because I called in for work because yesterday I had a lot of things that I wanted to do today where I've been I'm gonna say it's like fraud, identity theft, whatever, but they didn't get my social or anything like that. They just, with the bank that I had a whole bunch of issues, and so I'm calling credit bureaus. I'm sending out letters to get address change and to get everything fixed with collections and working on my credit. Today is like only credit today. Once I get everything done, if I get everything done, I plan on going out in Uber for a little bit. I wanted to make sure that I register for my friend's thing on Saturday, the painting with the twist, and then I wanted to go to Ross to get a t-shirt because I wanted to get something that was like cute but something I probably wouldn't wear again, so that if I mess it up it's not a problem. But then I was thinking I just might as well wear like a big shirt like this, like I always do, because this is like my style, a big t-shirt and like tights or jeans or something, so it's not like crazy. But I wanted to go to Ross for some reason. Ross is calling my name, even though I know I shouldn't go because I always buy something I don't need, okay? But that's what I plan on doing. So today I just plan on making my coffee. Oh, and if y'all are new here, hey, hello, this is a new vlog. I'm gonna do a weekend vlog. I'm gonna do a daily vlog on a Friday. So today's Friday. It was gonna do my 9 to 5, but I'm gonna do other things. And tonight I have virtual assistants, so I'm kind of like still working even though I'm off. Isn't that how it goes? You're still working. So the creamer that I'm using, one of them, is this one. My mom had got it from Target. And then the other one that I'm using, and this one is so good. I did not know it was going to be this good. I was actually surprised. It is pumpkin spice. It's a limited edition, the Natural Bless Oat Creamer, plant-based. And I want to say she got this one from HEB, but I'm not sure. And then I always use, yes, I put 3 different creamers in my thing. And I always use this one, which is the powder creamer. And I put like 2 scoops of this, and then I just like pour a little bit of those 2. The coffee that I'm making is the Folgers. This is the big one. And then I use a little bit of the hazelnut whenever I make pumpkin or French vanilla. I usually have this, but this is the one that I want. I'm actually about to look into creating a coffee area because me, my mom, my dad, and my daughter, we drink hot coffee and cold coffee, and we also do hot tea. So we're running low, but I want the ones where like it's a measured pump every time you pump it, and so I think that would come out wonderful if I had a measured pump. Can't go wrong with the measured pump, okay? So I want to do that. And then the teas that we have in here, I had to get a pumpkin tea. I only tried it twice so far, and it's actually pretty good without with sugar and a little bit of this. It actually came out really good. But it is the Sweet Harvest Pumpkin Black Tea. Closer so y'all can see it in case I want to try it. I did get this one at HEB as well, so I don't know if it's like, this ain't an HEB brand. Yeah, it's not an HEB brand. Another tea that we have that I really like is the Raspberry Hibiscus Tea. This one is the HEB brand. And then the other tea is the Chamomile Tea. And I want to say this one is the HEB brand as well. It's the Hill Country Fixie Top. So this is the chamomile. It's so good. I really love these teas. They always like, especially whenever my throat is like horrible. I have some other teas in here, and I actually just realized that right now. I have a detox tea. This one actually, if you are having problems using the restroom, use this one. The the English breakfast. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. This one's really good. And then we have the Earl Grey, and it's just the organic tea. So like I said, we have a whole bunch of teas. I'll try to remember to leave the links down below for these teas. I'm pretty sure the ones from HEB, I think they will deliver like outside of, you know, Texas or whatever, because HEB is only in Texas. They're kind of going a little bit up north, and it's not even, it's in the south side of Texas. It's not even in like Dallas area. It's like, that's too far north. So we don't know if they're going to go that far, but I do know that they are in the south side of Texas. Okay, so usually I pour a little bit of tea with the powder. I don't pour everything else in there yet, only because I have coffee. The coffee things in my cup. Only because I like to stir the hot coffee with the creamer or whatever and make sure that it's like stirred, so it's not finished. So I'll go ahead and like zoom in whenever I get cooked, whenever it's done. But today I was thinking that I've been really needing to do my my vision board, and I keep pushing it off. I don't know why I keep pushing it off. I kind of feel like once it's, I need one of those mixers that whenever you push the button it just stirs. Okay, but I've been pushing it off and I have no idea why I'm pushing it off. I'm literally like, I have no reason. I have none at all whatsoever. Like, I can't even think of a reason for me not to do the vision board. I made the die cuts for it, and I have everything the way, you know, I didn't make it. It's a printable. I printed it out. All I gotta do is cut it out, glue it, put some words. I even went to the post office box and, or the PO, and the post office. And whenever I went, I got a box so that I can put the boxes together and have like a big board. Instead of, I could have went and got a poster board. I guess I'm cheap because, you know, it's free when you go get a poster board. I don't know. So I went to go get 2 of them. And I think I only have 1 left because my son has already drew on one. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, so I was thinking to put something together, and I should be able, I can like start cutting the paper, write on the back of what I want to do with it while I'm waiting, because I have to make a whole bunch of phone calls to Equinox, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. I have to call all 3. I have to call the fraud line. It's like some FDC or something like that, I believe. And then I was going to print out the collection forms that I was telling y'all about before. And I need to go to the post office so that I can send them off. Since I'm off today, I'm able to actually go to the reception, the guy, and have him, like, you know, certified mail. And I also have a box that I need to get weighed and send that out. Oh, and then I finally renewed my notary insurance, and so my license doesn't have to be renewed until 2025. I believe in April of 2025. So I still have, like, you know, a year and a half. And then so I renewed my insurance, and I was promoting my, you know, my business and stuff out. And I was thinking, like, I see a lot of people that have like the vinyl on their car, like their windows, that like the car clubs, they have like anyway, I see people have like their little Instagram logo on like their car club, whatever, on there, and it makes me think like I should have my Instagram logo for my notary. Granted, I don't even think I have anything on there. Maybe that's a bad idea right now. So maybe I should just have like my notary name and my business number. Would you have your business number on your car? People are so, I mean, I guess I can have my email, right? What would you put on? Would you put your email or your phone number? I mean, my phone number is like, it's not my personal number and it's not attached to anything personal, so I guess that would be okay. Is it? This was a great idea until I started thinking about, like, are people gonna be texting, calling me? Girl. I should put text only and then the number, so if they try to call or whatever, I'm not answering. Oh, this is a great idea until I started thinking about it, guys. Anyway, I wanted to show you all my food. So, I wanted to get some iron. So I got some beans. And then I got the eggs. So for some protein. And this was just leftovers from last night. Sausage links that were cut. So these two were actually leftovers from last night. So I heated them up and I made some eggs.